What's going on, Sauce Familiar, SOSS, support or stay silent. Here we have the '08 Honda Accord doing the starter. And what you would need to do is, for the intake manifold, take out 6 bolts. There's 2 there, 2 more, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. And then just unbolt this off of the air intake, and then take the cover off by 2 bolts as well. Then just trying to record it when the phone dropped. But now you'll need 2 bolts to take off of the starter here. This is your starter. Take this bolt out, and then there's a long one right there behind it, if you can see it. It's dark brown, got some rust on it. Take that one out, 17 millimeters. You pull your starter out. This was caused by the battery showing that the battery's working, but the car's still not cranking over. 6. And yeah, all you need is a 12 millimeter, a long one, and a short one. And a ratchet, and you'll need a 10 millimeter and an extender. And then you take that out, take the cover off, then take the bolts out of the intake manifold here, pull it out, jerk it up like how I got it, then look at the starter, and then take your sockets, 17 millimeter, take them off.